We are going to be working on the other cuts as well. So we're going to work on the top and the elevation B. Since this is elevation A, this should be elevation B. So we're going to make these cuts right along this edge right here. So if you get your piece of paper out and the roof plan and the elevation B, where it is titled, it is the ground plane. So if you kind of match it like this. So if you turn this roof up, then that's the top view. Okay? So from the top view, what would be the dimension of one of these cuts? 4 by 1'6", correct. Okay. Let's say if we were going to enter it 4 by 1'6", if the input would be what? Box at 4 by 1'6". That would be the correct way of doing it because that's the direction we want to go to. Let's try to enter it another way. So do the box command and then select anywhere on the C-plane, and then instead of entering 4 first, let's enter 1'6" and then comma 4 foot. Enter. Oh, I forgot to put the at symbol, huh? Sorry. At 1'6", comma 4 foot. Enter. Okay, and then the height of that, if I look at the side elevation, it too is 7 feet. So I'll put 7 feet. Enter. Okay, so that's the correct subtraction. However, it is turning the wrong way, right? We want to set it so that it's facing this direction. You could always use the gumball tool in the in the blue axis and type in 90 degrees. Control Z, or I could also use no, let's just do that right now. If we could proceed to do exactly what we did the last time, select the object, or actually move the object, and then select from the top corner to this top corner. Be careful where you select because you don't want to hit any other location. And then you could use the gumball to move it into place. And this thing is, let's see, it is 8 foot away from the edge, right? So we'll move it, and it is with the arrow, so I'll put 8 foot. And there it is. Okay. I know I have more slots to make. What I can do is to use another command. Let's see, we'll use the gumball first. So select the object, gumball shows up. And this we kind of talked about the last class meeting. If we hit the Alt key, at the same time we hit, and then we hit the red arrow, or any of the arrows really, but red arrow this time, you'll get a dialog box, and the Alt, when you type in the Alt key, that means copy. Okay, so we're going to move that 3 feet. Okay. Why 3 feet? Because there was a 1'6" space and then the 1'6" opening. Okay, so Control Z. If I selected the object, if I just selected the arrow without hitting the Alt key and typed in 3 foot, it's just going to move it, right? So Control Z, what I want to do was to hit the Alt key and then hit the arrow and then type in 3 foot. And that copied that over. I could also use another command, which is copy. Since that's what I'm trying to do, I'm going to copy it. So if I believe it's in the edit. No, I'm sorry, transform, right? Transform copy is where I get the copy command. Also, I could type in copy, and that'll get me also the copy command. Also, if I go down the standard tab, if I go to this symbol right here on the A column size towards the bottom, it has a white arrow and a bunch of blue arrows, or blue, I'm sorry, not white arrow, white box and a bunch of blue box. If I hover over that, it says copy. Remember, there's two mouse settings, and notice on the left hand side it says copy, and on the right hand side it says copy object in place. We won't use the copy object in place right now, but if you selected that, it's just going to copy that same object right where it is. Instead, we're going to select the left mouse button to copy, or type it in. Select the object, enter because I'm done selecting, and use that other box that's there right there, and then move it along the place. Enter. So that I kind of copy multiple sessions of that. Okay. And then you can go ahead and Boolean subtract or Boolean difference. Select the object that I want to subtract from, enter, and then select all the pieces that I want to subtract out, enter. And that gave me the four pieces. All right.